We are going to make a cocktail maker machine. Compared with the traditional cocktail mixer, in this device, users can order in advance with their phones, which greatly saves time. In addition, our device is fully automatic wine mixing. And perhaps best of all, our machine will be able to make more than 25 different cocktails. In this part, I will introduce more details about the key functions and how to realize these functions. The first function is we can control the machine on the mobile phone by connecting our phone to ESP32 through Wi-Fi. This means there will be a website for customers where they can choose different cocktails they like. The second function is this machine can make 25 best wine cocktails. We are going to specifically design a GPIO to control the pumps so that we can decide on the ratio of different wines. As for the third function, if the distance sensor detects a people's gesture, it will trigger the valve and the ice will fall. We use the I2C protocol to complete communication between the RP2040 and the slave sensor. When it comes to the anti-force touch device, Pico 4ML will be used to decide whether one approaching is human, which can prevent pets from touching the device by mistake.
Okay, so the biggest risk in our project are two parts. The first part is how to allow users to remotely control the pump switch of the machine on the cell phone. And the second part is how to control the opening of the ice pouring device. So for the first part, since the user needs to connect Wi-Fi or Bluetooth to control the pump switch via cell phone, and the RP2040 which controls the pump switch does not have a Wi-Fi module, we need to use the ESP32, which means the user gives commands to the ESP32, and then the ESP32 transmits them to the RP2040. And for the second part, we decided to add a face recognition section in consideration of the possibility of small animals or other objects accidentally touching the open button of the ice pouring device. The camera module of the Pico 4ML can be used to recognize the user's face and automatically pour the ice when it is recognized as the user, so that the taste of the drink will not be ruined by the ice melting in the drink. And our backup option is that if it doesn't work out, we decided to eliminate the automatic ice pouring device, which means to replace it with a manual ice pouring command from the user. And our effective midpoint checkpoint is that it successfully makes 2 to 3 diaries according to the user's instructions.
In the next step, we need to use Fusion 330 to model our device and use 3D printer and laser cutting to create this equipment. The most significant thing is writing code to control all operation of our instrument. In this process, we will certainly encounter many problems, so it's very important to discuss with professors and team members. This is the end of our project proposal. Thank you for watching.